Our journey began on the first day, riding out of the bustling streets of Hanoi and into the serene countryside. It was a perfect start, winding through peaceful villages and lush green landscapes. We made a memorable stop at the stunning Ngoc Chien Hills, soaking in the incredible views and capturing some amazing photos. Next, we faced an intense day of off-road adventure, pushing our limits as we tackled the rugged trails leading to the peak of Ta Xua. The adrenaline was pumping as we navigated narrow paths with steep drops, each turn revealing even more jaw-dropping views. Reaching the summit was an exhilarating experience, and the sense of accomplishment was unparalleled. We continued on to the remote beauty of Ngoc Chien, where we were met with warm hospitality and a cozy evening to recharge. Following that thrilling ride, we embarked on another incredible journey through the stunning landscapes of Ngoc Chien, heading toward Tuan Giao and Dien Bien. The route was full of off-road challenges, but the scenery of cascading rice terraces and lush valleys made every effort worthwhile. Then came the ride from Tuan Giao to Muong Lay, where more surprises awaited. The roads twisted and turned through pristine mountain scenery, with the occasional river crossing adding a touch of excitement. The camaraderie we shared, whether navigating tricky trails or admiring the peaceful beauty of the land, made this day unforgettable. Continuing our adventure, we rode from Muong Lay to Sapa, and it was a day like no other. The single-track trails on mountain ridges tested our skills, but the breathtaking views of Sapa's terraced fields and dramatic peaks rewarded us beyond measure. Arriving in Sapa, we marveled at the vibrant scenery and enjoyed the evening atmosphere of this picturesque town. After Sapa, our path took us to Bac Ha, a journey filled with off-road exploration through scenic trails winding past traditional villages. The cultural experience at Bac Ha Market was a true highlight, where we immersed ourselves in the sights, sounds, and flavors of this lively gathering place. It was a feast for the senses and an unforgettable cultural adventure. finally, we ended our epic ride with a well-deserved day of relaxation at Thac Ba Lake. We enjoyed a serene boat trip, swam in the cool waters, and celebrated our incredible journey with cold drinks by the lake. The evening was filled with laughter and warmth at our homestay, complete with a delicious dinner and the unforgettable experience of sharing happy water with our gracious hosts.